To find out when your Fidelity account was opened, the first step is to log into your Fidelity account on their website. Use your username and password to access your account. If you have not registered yet, you may need to create an account using your account number and personal information. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account summary page. This page provides an overview of your accounts and their details. Look for a link or tab that says Account History or Statements. Depending on your account type, these sections may be located in different places within your account dashboard. In the Account History or Statements section, look for any historical records or account documents. You might find monthly statements or account opening documents that show the date when your account was established. If you have difficulty locating this information, there may be a search function to help you find specific documents more efficiently. If you still cannot find the opening date of your account, you can reach out to Fidelity's customer service for assistance. They can provide you with the information you need directly. Customer service is available through phone or secure messaging within your account, and they will be happy to help you.